So in this video, I'll be showing you how to change your camera settings in Where Winds Meet. Now all you have to do is just navigate to the menu and then select settings and then switch between the different sections until you get to camera. From here, you can now see your camera settings and you can go through all of these and customize them to your liking. So for example, you can choose to change the camera zoom, you can choose to change the camera direction correction, whether you choose to enable or disable it. And then you can even choose to have your own custom camera whenever you're using the grand lightness skill or the flying skill. You can choose to have a free camera or a custom camera, and then it simply adjusts to how you're using it. You can choose to increase or decrease the camera sensitivity. You can choose to increase the you can choose to invert the vertical camera, or you can choose to just leave it as it is. And so all you need to do is just go ahead and have fun with your customizations. And when you're happy, you can exit the settings menu. Once you've exited, the changes should be applied immediately to your game. If they haven't, then just go back, change just something slightly, and they'll automatically be reapplied, and you'll be able to game as you like. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.